Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Shein so you can start shopping and saving right away. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, download the Shein app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, or simply go to shein.com in your browser. So now open the app or website. Now on the app, look at the bottom menu and tap Me. This takes you to the profile screen. Now here, tap the sign in or register at the top. You will see options to create an account with email, phone number, or using Google or Apple or Facebook for faster login. Let me go with my email address for now. Once done, tap continue. And here, generate a password. Here you need to create a strong password with letters, numbers and symbols. Once done, tap register. So here, for the security of your account, you can try verifying and binding your phone number as well. For now, let me skip this one. As you can see, my registration is successful. Now tap go shopping at the bottom. So once you are in, you can set your preferences like gender, style and size for better recommendations. And that's it. You're officially signed up on Shein. Now you can browse, save item to your wish list and enjoy exclusive discounts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.